Hey guys, let's see how to reset this Dzees camera. I'm not sure about the pronunciation, but I think it's Dzees, okay? Here's the name. So I have the camera here working, as you can see. Then let me just move the cell phone aside and reset the camera here. You're gonna find this power button here, which is also the reset button, okay? So if you press and hold, you're gonna turn off the camera. And if you wanted to reset, you just need to double tap here, okay? And observe the LED here. There is a blue LED. It's gonna flash. So let me just double tap here, double press. 1, 2, pretty quick. Didn't work. Let me try again. It worked. Sorry. Okay. And then you hear the sound because the camera is reset. So it's ready for the setup again. Then you just need to get your cell phone with your Dzees app and start the setup from scratch, okay? So super simple. That's the way you can reset a Dzees camera. I hope this helps. Please leave your comments here, subscribe to this channel, and I see you in the next one.